Two families whose loved ones entered their lives at a Swiss clinic without telling them have said they are heartbroken another family has been put through the same ordeal. Anne Canning, who was 51 and from Wales, travelled to the Pegasos clinic near Basel to end her life in January following the tragic death of her only son. Under similar circumstances, Alastair Hamilton, who was 47, travelled from the UK to the clinic in 2023. After being contacted by the Hamilton family, the clinic reportedly promised last year that it would always contact a person's family before assisting in a death. However, Anne Canning's family say they were never informed before she died this year. And last week, the family of a County Cavan-based woman who ended her life alone at the same controversial clinic told the Irish Independent how the first they knew that their mother had died was when a volunteer for the group sent a WhatsApp message afterwards. Maureen Slough, who was 58 and had a history of mental illness, travelled to the Pegasos clinic on July the 8th. The Pegasos group has said it received a letter from Miss Slough's daughter Megan saying she was aware of her mother's wishes and accepted them. It also said it verified the letter through an email response to her using an email address allegedly supplied by Megan herself. But Megan has said she never wrote such a letter or verified any contact from Pegasos. And her family think Maureen may have forged this letter and verified it using an email address she created herself. Her family have questioned why Pegasos staff did not ring Megan on a number that Maureen had supplied to them for her. Alastair Hamilton's mother Judith has said Pegasos had promised her family it would make changes after her son's death. And Anne Canning's sister Delia has said she is heartbroken that Maureen's family have had to go through the same ordeal as her family and that lessons hadn't been learned.